This is Yvette from ShortPoint. Having the perfect page layout that improves readability and user engagement is key to a successful intranet. ShortPoint has features that aim to help you achieve this. In this video, you will learn how to access the Hot Actions feature and use it to edit the spaces within and between design elements. You will also learn how to add and edit layout options in sections and rows. With the Hot Actions feature, you can quickly adjust margins and paddings for each design element directly on the page and see the changes in real time. To access it, select the label of a design element and hover over its borders. The existing spaces will be highlighted. Margins are the spaces outside the border of the design element, while paddings are the spaces within the border that separate the content. Modify these spaces by clicking and dragging. Let's use Hot Actions to edit the spacing of this text design element. We can add padding to the left to center the content. To add equal padding on the other side, click on the pin icon. This will lock the padding values, so changes made to the left will be mirrored on the right, ensuring perfect balance. In addition, let's increase the top margin of the text design element. You can also use Hot Actions to add or reduce white spaces between sections of your page. ShortPoint offers more options to customize page layouts. In the design settings for section, row, and column, there are 4 layout options that are particularly important for determining how their contents will occupy the available space. You can choose to add equal margins on all sides, use the full height, use the full width, or use the full space in the layout. You can also add new sections, rows, and columns anytime by clicking these plus buttons. When you choose to add a new section, you will find the familiar 2-button option. Clicking on the Open Templates button will allow you to select and add a new section or page template. Alternatively, you can also create your own layout for the new section by clicking on Choose a Layout and selecting an option. For example, this option will give you a single row, single column layout. If you want to modify this layout, you can go back to the Row Layout Options icon and select a different one. You can also adjust the width of the columns to fit your content and add more rows within the section. All of these options provide you with more control and flexibility in designing your page. Once you have created these spaces, you can start adding design elements to display your content. You've now mastered the art of managing spaces and layouts on your intranet page. With this knowledge, you can seamlessly bring together different pieces of content to create a polished and professional-looking page. Thank you for watching!